And can you just share a few examples of the type of mindful activities you might do in a preschool?
Sure. So younger children, they're still learning how to self-regulate and control, and it can be very hard to sit still. Very hard for young children, and that's okay, because mindfulness isn't necessarily about sitting still. Slowing your body down and when you're still obviously can help you cultivate some awareness of what's going on in your body. But with the younger kids, I'd say that might be less important. That it's okay if they're squirming around. So a lot of the things I do is movement-based. We'll do mindful walking. Instead of just walking and having them focus on their experience, you can walk in fun, clever ways, like imagine you're walking on the moon now. What would that feel like? Now imagine you're walking underwater, and does it sound funny? You know, and really kind of help them, facilitate them in getting really creative and having fun with it. And all of that stuff can be done while they're moving around. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us today.
Thanks for having me. It's been a pleasure.